Hello, and welcome to this short video in which I will be outlining some of UNC's online content creation tools that you can use for online presentation. The first of which is used in a synchronous environment. This tool is called Zoom. In a synchronous environment, you meet virtually with your students, and Zoom is an excellent tool to help you accomplish this. In an asynchronous online course, you don't necessarily have times that you meet with your students, but you still want to provide them content. And the best tool here at UNC for that is Panopto. So I'll quickly be going over both. Now, you can find both of these tools in the course navigation. However, they might not be there. So for example, I see Panopto here, but I don't see Zoom. So in order to get there, I will quickly go to Settings, or I should say to add it to this navigation bar. I can navigate to the Navigation tab, and I can scroll down to find Zoom in the hidden area. I can simply drag this up, or I can use these three vertical dots to enable Zoom. Just make sure you save your work. Okay, now that we've activated both Panopto and Zoom, I'll quickly go over how to set up a Zoom meeting for a synchronous course. This is a very brief overview, but it should get you started, especially since we have a couple more training materials for you. So when you're ready to start your next meeting or schedule your first meeting, you can simply click this Schedule a New Meeting button in the upper right-hand corner from Zoom. The advantage of scheduling Zoom inside of your course is that it not only allows your students to access it from their Zoom icon on their Canvas screen, it also creates a calendar date for you that also your students can also click and access it from there. So this is really nice. But you can click here, you can add a name or a topic. You have a couple different settings that you can set based on your personal preferences and what you want to get out of your room. As soon as you have outlined or got your settings the way you want them, you can go ahead and click Save. And what's nice is that you now have a one click to get into your meeting. When you are ready, all you have to do is hit this Start This Meeting button here, and your meeting will get started and your students will be able to join you. Now the next tool that we have here at UNC is used for asynchronous presentation, and that is Panopto. Panopto is an excellent tool that can be used to record your screen. So it can record PowerPoints, it can record your face, it can record all sorts of really great stuff for your students. It's relatively easy to use and set up. So as soon as you're on the Panopto screen, you can click Create. Now you should know that there are two versions of Panopto, one for Mac and one for PC. So, and you will have to download this software if you haven't already done so. So you can go ahead and click that when you're ready to record. However, if you already have a recording that you've done previously, you can also upload that recording here as well. Now, as soon as you click into to record a new meeting, you will see this screen. And from here, you can get your settings set up. You can set up your primary video. This will be the video. Typically, this is your face or that part of the recording. If you don't want your face to be in the recording, you can simply set None here. And to the right, you'll see the secondary sources. And this will be your primary video source. So here's where you want to have you can select your screen to record. You can even select a PowerPoint. That is from here if you have that open, or a keynote. As soon as you're ready to record, you can go ahead and hit this button. We are not going to be doing that today, but you can go through your recording, record exactly what you need, and then you can hit Stop Recording, and your recording will stop. As soon as you have recorded your lecture, you'll be able to embed that into a page. Now, this is meant to be a very brief overview of the two tools that we have here at UNC. And if you ever have questions regarding Zoom or Panopto, please feel free to submit a help ticket to help@unco.edu, and we'll be able to help you. Thank you very much for your time.